What is the most obvious sign a couple won't last long? 1. I always find couples who post about how much they love each other on social media break up pretty quick. I'm not talking about one post, but the excessive ones. Recent example being, a girl I know, who posted probably every other day, about how this guy is her world, she'd be lost without him, she misses him when he's not there, etc. They were together about 3 months total. I just find it so obvious. 2. They casually show signs that they don't respect each other. It can be a lot of eye-rolling, mocking, condescending laugh, casually saying you're so stupid, embarrassing in front of friends. 3. Talking bad behind each other to friends. 4. When they act as though they don't like or respect you, and when you point that out they say you're being too sensitive. 5. When they fight with each other in a passive-aggressive way in front of friends. Went to this dinner once where the guy was showing off his new plasma TV, and it ended up with the girl throwing one of his awards into the